Real hip-hop, MCing and DJing from your own mind, you know.
I guess right now we should start the show.
Yo, this ain't no joke. Everybody in my city smoke. Rockin' every block, there's a lot of heat selling on each street. Left in 2001 to start a new life. Some punk 2003 stabbed me with a knife. I used to, born again a Scottish Irish Jew. I quit now, ain't that the shit? Not going back to that bottomless pit. A new world, searching for the right girl. Old school blitz, writing those hits. No drug kits, straight from Verdun, Quebec, now have a steady paycheck. Working as a collector, the rhyme selector. I wouldn't touch the crack for $1 million. Going to jail sucks, trying to achieve good luck. Yo, this is the crackdown, this is the crackdown. Everyone in the town, plenty dope around. Fiends on the ground, the new hip-hop sound. Lyrics that can't be found. This is the crackdown. Yo, the secret of my success is don't stress. God's giving you a chance to try to be the best. From east to the west, have a lot of stuff. Cops place the handcuffs on me. One day I'll be free from my file, my own unique style. Writing 8 Mile, listen as the phone rings. Working hard to buy more bling. Rock the mic, my rhymes bring. It's a new thing, you know what I mean? Still smoking green, no crack dope fiend. Have a big dream, ambition. No techno condition, always dissing on a mission. Have women kissing, sexy money, making mad money. It's not funny to be in prison. Life's decision, what's missing? Today I have a steady pay at work, don't act like a jerk. Get along in society, enjoy sobriety. 6 years clean, still wearing rocker wear jean. Never again on the pipe, partying every night with weed. Lots of friends indeed, looking to plant my seed for a baby. I'm not crazy or lazy, beat me down, don't faze me. My month of June is coming soon. The time I was born coming back like a vicious storm.